it was very difficult.
He doesn't like it.
In check with so many cameras and everybody scrutinizing the family, thinking Debbie had done something terrible.
Come here.
It was then that I heard that my name had been placed
He doesn't like
in
it.
the crime database and that I was considered a suspect. I was so
He's
upset.
just gonna sit there.
I couldn't.
Are you just gonna sit there?
Happening to me, but then
Are you just gonna sit there like you don't care?
now what's he going to do with me? My rapist came into the room and he undid my tie on my ankle and he raped me. It just